So I saw I was done removing all the components of the bike, but I realized after I took the front shocks that the front bearings inside here is bad. As you can see, the movement here is a little rough. So what I'm gonna do is remove the bearings inside and replace it with new bearings. So what I'm gonna do is grab the soldering mill, go ahead and remove the top bolt up here. And next I'm going to remove this piece going horizontally, holding so the the top portion comes off just like that. Once you get the top portion off, you want to go ahead and unscrew this. You can just use your hand, and this will expose the ball bearings. The bearings will go everywhere, as you can see here.